You're late again.
Yeah, I know.
Mercer, go home!
Can't. No way.
You shouldn't be watching me.
Who are you? Someone new? This isn't normal.
It's a person.
No, it's pretending.
Drop it, Mercer.
What are they?
A replacement.
You're afraid because you can't tell who's real.
Stop!
If it looks at you, don't blink.
That's not funny.
Those are...
People.
No, those are copies. What are you?
Better! They're everywhere! Vanilla!
Sarah?
You weren't supposed to come home. If you're not human, then bleed!
We don't.
You don't know it yet, but you're already gone.
Who's this?
Me.